excited ako ngayon mga ka-Metformin sa ating watch review. Dahil ang re-reviewin natin ngayon is not a brand new watch, but rather what people call a vintage watch. No? This one is a Seiko 5, pero ang kakaiba dito sa Seiko 5 na ito mga ka-Metformin, ito ay ang tinatawag nilang JDM o Japan Domestic Market Seiko 5 watch. Meaning, hindi siya available internationally, but rather, you have to go to Japan to be able to see and purchase this particular watch. At dahil ito ay vintage, mga ka-Metformin, ipapakita ko na sa inyo bago natin ituloy ang usapan. Ito siya, oh. Two-tone ang kanyang kulay. It's a blue dial two-tone watch. At ang sukat nito mga ka-Metformin, ang kanyang case size is 37.5. Alanganin, and ang kanyang lug to lug ay around 40. So, typically kasi, mga ka-Metformin, yung mga vintage watch noong araw, maliliit talaga ang case size, no? Nito na lang mga nagdaang couple of decades ago na nauso na yung malalaki ang size ng relo, mas macho daw kasi tignan. Hubarin natin para mas mapigurahan ninyo. Ang mechanism number nito mga ka-Metformin ay 6119. 6119, and we would know from our research na ang 6119 automatic mechanism na gawa ng Seiko came out in the 1970s. So, if you now look at the serial number sa likod, mga ka-Metformin, we would be able to determine from the serial number that this watch in particular came out in 1976. At dahil ngayon ay 2025 na, next year mga ka-Metformin, itong particular na relo na ito is already 50 years old. Ayun talaga palang medyo maganda ang pagkakadali natin ito. I bought this sa second-hand market and I got it for a very good price. And what's good about this mga ka-Metformin is that if you look at it, it is so well maintained, no? Makinis pa rin, even yung kanyang stainless case. At ang mekanismo sa loob, original pa. Ang napalitan lang dito mga ka-Metformin ay itong crown. They had to replace it, and you can readily see that this is a replacement crown dahil lubog ang original na crown nito. Talagang mahirap pilitin bukod sa maliit na punggok pa. Ito ay medyo labas na, no? At mas madali nang pihitin. It's a replacement crown. At itong strap mismo ay replacement na rin as admitted by the owner. But this is a watch na personal sa kanya. At nung nag-uusap kami, mga ka-Metformin, he realized that I am an avid watch lover and collector. And so that's why sabi niya, kasi tinanong niya ako what is your purpose of trying to buy this watch from me? Ang sabi ko, I actually had that watch from before, but it was not mine per se. It was owned by my dad. But at some point, it disappeared in our home. No? So, I don't know if he lost it or he sold it. I don't know. But I remember seeing him wearing this kind of watch. So, kaya lang yun ay hindi blue dial. White yung dial niya. So, knowing now na merong personal touch para sa akin o may personal reason ako to be interested in this watch, natuwa siya at ibinenta niya sa akin. Sabi niya, I took care of that watch. It was my personal watch. I wore it almost every day and I'm glad that I'm now passing it on to you. I know you will take care of it. Yan ang kwento nitong ating Seiko 5 21 jewels automatic vintage watch. I hope you like this review, mga ka-Metformin. Again, 6119 ang modelo ng automatic mechanism ng Seiko na to. And if I'm not mistaken, yung particular model, yung ganito mismo ay 5490. So just search it, mga ka-Metformin, if you wanna know more. It's not a very pricey watch. It is so modestly priced. But the sentimental value sa old owner at sa ngayong new owner, that's me, ay yun ang mahalaga. So, yun lang mga ka-Metformin, and thank you so much. I hope magkita-kita tayo uli sa mga darating pa nating review. God bless us all.